P2EP, Productivity and Performance Enhancement Platform, is a web-based software platform that is developed to cater to the needs of different industry verticals. This system provides the organization to track their sales activities, purchase activities, and service-related activities. P2EP has been implemented for several industry verticals. To name a few, we have implemented this system for companies who are into systems integration, equipment trading, packaging companies, companies who are into sales and service, FMCG distribution, and retail billing. At SP Technologies, we have always dreamt of creating an organization that understands your business needs and help you in solving the problems as a partner to ensure enhancement in productivity by ensuring improved performance. SP Technologies PES is a business consulting cum technology company that provides solutions to small and medium enterprises. Advantage of P2EP: adaptability. In your organization, when users are given training in the system, are able to accept the system and adapt to the new features of the system very easily because of the easy-to-use interfaces. Capped budget. System offers predictability in investment and service levels. There are no hidden charges and the discussions are very transparent as far as the investment is concerned. Change management. Seamless integration to any accounting package the organization is already using. Restriction on user licenses. P2EP provides a very flexible and scalable model which follows use as you grow model. The organization can start with as low as 5 user licenses and grow up to 1000 user licenses. Anywhere, anytime. System is available anywhere, anytime on the move. Availability of cloud infrastructure reduces the organization's need to invest in infrastructure. If the organization already is having enough infrastructure, system also can be implemented on-premise. Alerts or workflows. Various types of alerts such as alerts on follow-up activities, margin control, approvals add value to the P2EP application. SMS and email alerts are available on different levels in the system throughout the entire P2EP module. Discount or margin control. Rules for discount approval can be set in the system based on your organization's hierarchy. Tracking sales or service personnel. Daily activities of your sales executives and service executives can be tracked in the system. Based on this, sales executives' strike rate can be measured and service executives' productivity can be measured. Based on these daily activities, organization can also take steps to improve the performance of their executives. Service level agreements. Defining service levels based on the team's past record ensures commitment-based deliveries. Inventory management. System provides various modules to track the location-wise real-time availability of stocks or spares. Vendor management. Request for quote from vendors and ranking of vendors, tracking vendor performance in terms of delivery, quality and pricing, and tracking of vendor payments. PMS or AMC. PMS, Preventive Maintenance Schedule. We can set up a defined schedule for preventive maintenance and alerts can be generated. Alerts can be sent to the customer as well as the user to remind them of the preventive maintenance schedule which is due every 90 days or every 120 days based on the equipment or product or the organization. And AMC, Annual Maintenance Contract. Whenever a warranty of a product expires, AMC has to be signed by the customer. Not to miss on this activity, alerts will be generated to the customer and the user so that before the expiry of warranty of the product, alerts will be generated, action can be taken to convert the customer from warranty to AMC. Manage receivables or payables. Tracking collections from the customer and tracking the outstanding receivables or payables. Logistics management. We can define delivery schedule and plan to stock the items in the truck, track the truck details and drivers information, and ensure that goods are delivered on time at the customer's location. Installation management. When the sales activity is complete, if the product that is sold is an installable product, We can ensure site preparedness for installation of the equipment, track the installation activities, and follow to obtain the customer satisfaction survey. Multi-currency management. System supports multiple currencies. Integration with MS Office tools. System also provides integration with MS Office, MS Word, MS Excel, integration with Adobe PDF, and integration with email and SMS. For a detailed demo of the product, you can call WhatsApp 361-019-2560 or email to sptechpes@gmail.com. Thank you.